welcome back to the channel. Shayna here. Just wanted to say hello again. Sorry that I have not been able to get a video up recently. Life has been a little crazy. I talked about it a little bit, I think, in my last color and chat, that I'm gonna go see my boyfriend in Missouri. So I'm super excited about that, but with planning for that, trying to get packed, and working an absolute ton because we lost a bunch of people last week, so they've been asking me to come in early and stay late. So I just have not been able to record. The past weekend, I was just so zonked that I did nothing at all on Monday. I literally just slept almost all day. And then I did have some plans with friends on Tuesday, so I just didn't get around to filming, and I was planning to like film in the mornings before work, and it just didn't happen. So I am gonna pre-film a couple videos today. You'll be seeing this one on Saturday, and then the rest while I am away. So yeah, I just want to say thank you for sticking around. Welcome to all the new subscribers. I am so stoked. You guys are the absolute best just for putting up with me and my inconsistencies. So thank you guys so much. Now, without further ado, I will stop rambling and we will go ahead and get into this box. So this is the Coloring in Classic subscription box. You guys have seen this before on my channel, and I'll go ahead and put the iCards for this playlist in like up above. So yeah, this box is a thick boy. So we'll just go ahead, I guess, and get started and see what we got in here. I thought that I was gonna cancel it, but I didn't cancel it soon enough, so here we are with another month, but I'm excited to see what we get. So we've got another lollipop. I don't think I've eaten any of those. And we have, what is this? All right, can you guys see? I can't see my iPad. There we go. All right, The Pointless Book, continued by Alfie Days, finished by you. Free app with exclusive digital content. Oh, The Pointless Book 2. So I guess this is kind of like Wreck This Journal. This book belongs to, signed by Alfie. That's cute. Draw your favorite food. Have you ever? This is fun. Draw your dream treehouse. Yeah, this is like create this book and Wreck This Journal, all those kinds of things. Just something fun. What would you do if you won $1 million? The blindfolded makeup challenge. Oh no. Warning label. If you had a warning label, what would it be? Oh, this is fun. Okay. So just a bunch of different tasks that you can complete, I guess, each day or whatever you want to do. I think that's really fun. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but this is really cool. I think it'll be fun. It would be fun to do with friends too, at like a party. Not a party. Not right now. But you guys know what I mean. Like a little get together or at like a family game night. That'd be really fun. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Now, how do you turn it back on? What? Oh, turn off this light. Now, how do you turn it back on? That's funny. Make this page sparkly. Ooh, that one will be fun. Cupcake full English. Ooh, a recipe. Scan here to see Alfie in action. I'm guessing Alfie is the pug, which is absolutely adorable. So I like that. I'm gonna have to download the app or whatever it is. So oh no, I guess it's him. Alfie Days is back with another installment of his unique brand of nothingness. Bigger, better, and even more pointless. The Pointless Book 2 is once again full of hilarious challenges and crazy activities, and the ultimate accessory to Alfie's wonderful pointless blog. With all the humor and quirkiness of Alfie's celebrated YouTube site. Okay, so he's got a channel. I'll have to check it out. Pointless Book 2 is packed with a host of games, activities, dares, pranks, and jokes, and of course an exclusive digital app to take you closer to Alfie and the Pointless blog. Fully illustrated and endlessly entertaining, Alfie invites you back to his pointless party and to once again doing virtually nothing. Sorry. Ugh, excuse me. Doing virtually nothing with pride. That's fun. So yeah, that'll be fun. Spin the book. There's cute. Dot to dot. Yeah, that'll be fun to mess around with. All right, and then we have our reading book, which is Jorge Zepeda Patterson. 23 days, 2,000 miles, 1 killer. So we've got another mystery. I didn't change it this month, so oops, wrong way. So it makes sense that we would have another mystery. So it's called The Black Jersey. There's praise on the back, and then we've got the synopsis. So this there are cyclists willing to die to win a single stage of the tour, taking suicidal descents at more than 90 kilometers an hour. But now I know there are cyclists willing to kill for it too. All right, so Marc Moreau, a professional cyclist with a military past, is a top Tour de France team, is part of a top Tour de France team led by his best friend, an American star favored to win this year's tour. But the competition takes a dark turn when racers begin to drop out in a series of violent accidents. A mugging that ends in an ankle being crushed, a nasty bout of food poisoning, and a crash caused by two spectators standing where they shouldn't. The teams and their entourages retreat into paranoid lockdown even as they must continue racing each day. The mountain inclines grows steeper and the accidents turn deadlier. A suspicious suicide, an exploded trailer, a loose wheel at the edge of a cliff. Mark agrees to help the French police with their investigations from the inside and becomes convinced that the culprit is a cyclist who wants to win at any cost. But as the victim count rises, the number of potential murderers and potential champions dwindles. Mark begins to have the sickening realization that his own team has been most favored by the murderers' actions. And in the final stages of the race, Mark himself emerges as the only cyclist left who could possibly beat his best friend and win the tour. Whom can Mark trust? Whom should he protect? What decision will he make if he's asked to choose between justice and loyalty and glory? So, seems interesting. Not something I probably would have picked up, but that's kind of the beauty of these things, is that they give us things that maybe we wouldn't have tried out, maybe we'll really enjoy. So we'll see. It does sound interesting. I don't know. No, it's not an arc. It said advanced praise, and I was like, is this an arc? But no, I don't think so. So yeah, that is really fun, I guess. We'll see. I don't know. It'll be interesting. I've never heard of this author, so if you have, let me know down below, and let me know if you like their writing. Alright, so then we get our coloring book, yay! So, A Touch of Asia coloring book. This looks like it's going to be really pretty. Serenely elegant designs from the East. I'm going to move this box out of the way. And we might have to turn down the contrast so you can actually see the images. Yep. Maybe. Come on. Really? There we go. Alright, so A Touch of Asia coloring book. Tuttle, I guess, is the publisher. It doesn't look like there's an artist. So maybe it's a bunch of artists. It is kind of thick, but it is smaller. It's a square book. The paper is nice. It's thick. It's perforated. So that's fun. I keep getting notifications. Sorry if you hear the phone buzzing. Got some cranes and some flowers. The line art in this picture at least is super thin. Let's do that and zoom you guys in. There we go. Make it not crooked. There we go. Well, maybe a little crooked. Sorry. So kind of pattern-like. Lots of flowers so far. Whoops, missed one. Ooh, that one's pretty. That's like a mandala almost. It does go right into the crease, which is kind of annoying, but I would probably only color up to the perforation. That's just me. Got some more cranes. Flowers. Yeah, it is pretty. Ooh, that one's fun. Lots of patterns like that. Clouds, that's like a wallpaper page. This would be fun for Jamie. She's doing the creative coloring book tag challenge. Sorry, I'm trying to make it straight for you, but then it's crooked for me, so it's throwing me off. This would be a fun one to experiment with. Actually, a lot of these would be. It's like the traditional like Japanese art style, it looks like. Again, the line art is super thin, so alcohol markers might be a challenge. That one's pretty. Bird. It kind of looks evil. I'm sure Danny's like, well, all birds are evil. This one's the cover page. I like that one a lot. That's pretty. Bugs. Uh-oh. Butterflies. Look away, Emily. Fish. They're not koi, but they are fish. Ooh, I like this one. This has much bolder line art. You can see, obviously, because I color with my marker so much, I do like the darker line art. More fish. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, that one's pretty. This would be fun with watercolors, I think. Another pattern. So yeah, if you're into patterns and flowers, this book might be interesting to you. Again, it is on nice paper, so I don't think you would have a problem with watercolors. It's a little bit glossy, but not like the shiny marker paper. It's pretty. I like the scenes, and I like the ones that are more mandala-esque. Oh, that's cool. Again, dark line art, so of course I'm drawn to that. A kitty cat. Oh, he's stalking those fish down there. It definitely, well, I mean, obviously it's Asian inspired, but you can really tell with this book. It reminds me of, like the China and Japan pavilions at Epcot. Lots of this kind of pattern on the walls and stuff. Ooh, he'd be fun with gel pen, I think. Get in all those little crevices. Lots of butterflies. And birds. Sorry, Emily and Danny. There's mice, rats, something. Speaking of, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure was finally announced. It'll be opening, this one is off-center, for sure, because it's cut off at the top and it's off at the bottom. So definitely a printing issue there. Oh, it's getting harder to turn the pages. But yeah, so I'm excited for that because it looks super cute. Some of them, like this and the clouds, I feel like just aren't necessary. And the one that was printed crooked. Now I wonder if a lot of the book was printed crooked, or if it's supposed to have some images cut off like this. Because I think this one looks fine, but it just makes me wonder, now that that other one was so obviously cropped. But it's okay, I still like it. Oh, so then it tells you about the drawings back here, which is pretty cool. So I wonder if they were, yeah, they're like actual things. Indonesia. A lot from the museum in Los Angeles. India. So like all over Asia, I guess. That's pretty cool. And then Tuttle Publishing. About Tuttle, books to span the East and West. Bring people together one page at a time. It's founded in New England. To publish best-in-class books informing the English-speaking world about the countries and people of Asia. That's cool. The world has become a smaller place today, and Asia's economic, cultural, and political influence has expanded. Yet the need for meaningful dialogue and information about this diverse region has never been greater. Since 1948, Tuttle has been a leader in publishing books on the cultures, arts, cuisines, languages, and literatures of Asia. Our authors and photographers have won numerous awards, and Tuttle has published thousands of books on subjects ranging from martial arts to paper crafts. We welcome you to explore the wealth of information available on Asia at TuttlePublishing.com. That's cool. Did not know that. So here's even more. Ooh, Meditations on Tea, a coloring book to soothe the soul. That looks fun. So it looks like some of the images, like this one, is in here. Floating World, Japanese prints coloring book, The Colors of Asia, an anti-stress coloring book for calm and creativity, and a Japanese garden coloring book. Japanese kimono gift wrapping papers. Oh, that's fun, Danielle, for your scrapbooking. That's cool. I didn't know that's what this company specialized in. I guess I could have read the back first, but here we are. Artistry is in the details. A Touch of Asia coloring book gathers over 50 details from Asia's fine and decorative arts to give you a taste of the elegance and infinite variety that comes from this wonderful part of the world. Apply your pencils and fine markers to drawings based on Chinese porcelains, Islamic tiles, Persian rugs, and other Asian textiles, Japanese prints, and much more. That's cool. Yeah, they are single-sided. I was like, I didn't even notice if they were single or double-sided, but they are single-sided, so you could use your alcohol markers. You just have to watch your lines on pages like this with the thinner line art. So that is all she wrote. Those are super fun. So again, in this box, I think I paid $43 for 3 months, and you get a coloring book, a reading book, and then you get an extra book in this edition. Again, I will link the videos up above so you can check out the first one where I talk more about the details. But yeah, it's just really fun. Last month we got a maze book, which I'm gonna take with me, I think, to like on the plane and mess around in. So I'm excited about this too. I think this would be really fun to do like a page a day. And just, I think it would get you out of your comfort zone. Speaking of mazes. So yeah, very fun. And then this book, again, is something that I probably wouldn't have picked up. So we'll see whenever I get to reading it. I've been really into audiobooks lately because I can listen to them on my commute and stuff. Whoops, wrong way. So yeah, that is that. And thank you guys again so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed my rambling, because that's who I am. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you all, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.